Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Hey, what's up? I am a beauty, I don't know, like I make beauty videos, but I also do a lot of other things. And if you're interested in seeing some of the other things I do, like this video, comment, tell me what else you want to see in my channel. I am really into cooking, I'm really into baking, I'm really into hiking. Obviously we can't go hiking right now because we're on lockdown, but if you want to see the world through the way that I live it, then let me know. I would love to create more content. I've just been kind of like feeling out of it, feeling uninspired. I have not been feeling like putting makeup on, but here I am, I did it. So yeah. And if you don't already know, Glossybox is just another one of the monthly makeup and hair like beauty box subscriptions. I want to say this one is around like $22-ish per month. I'll have to go look and double check that one, but I just got it in the mail yesterday. Here's, oh my god, I want to show you my address. Let's open this guy up. I did peek a little bit. I'm sorry. I did peek at the little thing that's in here just to kind of see if I could use any of the stuff on my makeup look today. So that way we could have a more thorough examination of the products. But here she is. I used to love getting this. As you can tell, it's a pretty big box, and it's like actually like a cardboard box. I feel like every time I get these, they make me so happy. Just like a little, this is the little guy I peeked at. It says like what stuff's inside of it. The first thing that I saw on the paper that I was so excited about is this right here, and might be kind of hard to read, especially since I just did it upside down, but it is a stamp eyeliner. I've been wanting to try one of these since Lady Gaga came out with her like little stamp thing, but I'm opening this up and so far it's really hard to get out. Here we go. Looks like this. Says create flawless winged liner. Looks with this double-ended stamp and liner duo. Step 1, apply wing stamp on outer corner of eye. Use felt tip to line the eye and join the wing. Gotta put my hair back for this, I'm scared. So, oh, okay, so here's the stamp edge, which you literally can't see, but you can see like that. So that's the stamp end, and the other end is just like a little basic pen. So let's do it. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna stamp this. Oh man, it's so scary. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. You guys, I did it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, how do I get them to be even now? They're not even, you guys, but oh my gosh, look how easy that was. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I might be able to do eyeliner now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this end and, yeah. How crazy. You guys, that was so easy, it's crazy. Okay. Oh, okay. Messing up a little bit. Can't see. So I'm not gonna lie. It is so easy to do this eye, super hard to do this eye because the tip is not flexible at all. It's like super hard, so it's like, it's really hard, guys, but believe in me, I'm gonna get this done. I'm back. I have eyeliner, and that took me like 3 minutes. You guys, that was crazy. That was literally crazy. Okay? You need this. I need this. I needed this, right? This is very much approved, and if you didn't see, it's by this brand that I can never pronounce. Yes, so awesome. My next thing in here is this right here. And it is by the brand Ico London. It's a black mascara. Ooh, a black magic mascara with drama and curl. Everything goes with black mascara. Designed for after-hour seduction, our ultimate mascara combines drama, volume, and curl with a carbon black finish to visibly transform and intensify your lashes. With botanical extracts blending keratin and shea butter with a water-resistant finish that doesn't crumble, fade, or flake. Alrighty. I have never used mascara in like a tube. Have you guys used mascara in a tube? So interesting. So let's open it. Oh, there she is. It feels dry. Okay, I'll stop being judgy and just give it a try. Kind of weird how it's like, you know, like flipped. I'm scared. It is dry. Okay. It's kind of nice how it's like curled, because then you can like really get in there. It is kind of hard to get like back in the tube though. Interesting. So it's hard to get back in the tube. It's kind of nice that it's curled, because I'm a big fan of while you're putting mascara up to kind of like push your eyelashes, so that way they like curl. And this curved wand allows to do that a little bit better and easier. Why is my hair like attacking me right now? Like, settle down. Okay, you guys, this stuff is actually really awesome. I do naturally just have really long eyelashes, but sometimes mascara can be really heavy and weigh them down, but this one seems to be really lightweight, so it just helps them stay up. So yeah, well, I'll let you know how that goes. The thing I'm seeing is by Sleek Makeup, and it is a highlighter palette. It says glow goals achieved with a copper palette highlight palette. Okay. Rich coppers and duo-toned golds feature in all of this powder palette, created to give you a look, created to give a good looking glow across different skin tones. We strongly suggest you apply liberally across brows, cheekbones, and anywhere else on your face. Directions: create subtle or dramatic effects by blending the colors using fingertips to the corners of the eye, across the brow bone, and along the top of the cheeks. So let's give her a try. I always want to say, let's give her a whirl, like Jeffree Star. It's my icon. Okay, so this is super cute. This is the back, this is the front. It's like a bronze. It feels like very fancy, and I just dropped the little thing that says the shade names, so we'll never know those. This is what it looks like inside. It has a little mirror up here. So I'm just gonna go from left to right and show you guys what they look like. We'll give it a little swatch on the arm. This is the first one. I probably cannot wear that. The second one. Oh, good, we can't see that at all. Literally at all. Okay, let's give it a round 2. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Still can't see it at all. Now I'm gonna go to the shade lower. And we'll do this one right here. This one's a little bit darker. Because I'm so good at swatching. And I'll do this last one with my thumb. Wow, these all just look so great. I don't even know which one to choose. This one right here. And I do already have some highlight. I'm so scared to do this. It seems kind of dark. Do we see anything? No, we see nothing. Okay, well, I'm sure this is great for somebody. Probably someone with a darker skin tone than me. Or maybe a lighter one. I don't know, but yeah, I just don't see anything. This thing is Basie Beauty tweezers. Okay, I do need some more tweezers. Ooh, they're pink. Cute. Okay, can definitely use tweezers. Who can't? Hello everyone, it's Susan Burns here, your Portland makeup girl. Thing, Freematic eyeshadow. Okay, so just like a little single eyeshadow. Ooh, and you just like slide it. Yep, we slide. Okay. Let's try this bad boy out. We'll just try it on the front. Hairs and all. Okay, so it's kind of like a, ooh, it's kind of cute. It's like a purpley brown color. Yeah, I'm into it. I'm into it. I'll give this a try. It's a cute color. I'm not gonna try this on my eyes today because like they're already done and I've already ruined my look with that weird highlighter, so not trying to ruin it again. It's here. One says Crybaby, ooh, Mane Club. When your deep conditioner says repair but you're still broken on the inside. Me. Sorry, I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. I will give these a try, obviously off camera. If you guys are interested in knowing how these work or want a follow-up, then let me know. So yeah, that was really fun. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my Glossybox unboxing. I am a huge fan of Glossybox. Like I said, it just feels like you're getting little presents in the mail. And I think with this time that we're living in right now, like we all need a little present in the mail. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe and comment what else you want to see, please, before I go crazy. And I will definitely see you guys again. Bye.